For me, nature's one of the neatest things on this side of the Mississippi. That's why CJ and we created nature tutorials. We want everyone to know that nature is awesome, rather than just me and CJ knowing it. Now this is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen by the way that it is. Neat! What? Nature's fruit. Nature's delicious. So here's the deal. I used to fish all the time and it got boring and I wasn't catching the biggest and the baddest fish in the lake. And so we decided to adapt it, to adapt our strategies to the circumstances. You know what they say, adapt, improvise, and overcome. So that's exactly what we did. Have you ever seen a hawk? I've seen a hawk. It's in nature. And so this is what you do. You know how the hawks, they catch the fish with their toes? They just jump in there and they catch them. Well, let me tell you, it's the most effective way and the best way to catch a fish. First thing you gotta do is you gotta take off your socks and your shoes. Just like this. Yeah? Yeah, that's right. Just like this. Bear. Second step, become one with the water. So here's the deal. When you get in the water with your feet, you gotta grab the fish with your toes. Just like, oh, I think I got one. Look at those. That's good. That's good. Guys, there's a rare type of fish in here. It's called a rare honeygutter. What they do is they burrow into the bottom of the lake in the mud. So if you step around there, you might get some bonus points. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, there it is. Get it. Come on. Got it. I got it. Don't forget to enjoy nature.